Are you interested in how to take long screenshot on your VIVO Y17? Today I will show you it on hard reset info channel. In the first step to do that, we must open app which support the long screenshot, maybe setting, and when we in the application which support it, we press volume down and power case together at the same time as to make normal screenshot, and after that we click their own wrong screenshot. And now we must add more information. After click next, it scroll something, and next it scroll something again. When we have all information which we want, we click save. Wait a second, and now we have our long screenshot. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.